Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Swing your left arm in front of you and your right arm behind you as you step in place on your right foot. Now step in place on your left foot and swing your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you. Step on your right foot again and swing your left arm in front of you and your right arm behind you. Then step in place on your left foot and point straight up with your right hand and straight down with your left hand. Keeping both arms stiff, move your left arm out to the left a little and your right arm over to the right. Move them again in the same manner. Move them one more time so that they are straight out to either side, then bring your hands in front of you and clap. Step to the right with your right foot while swinging your left arm in and down. Now step behind your right foot with your left foot and swing your right arm in and down. Step over to the right with your right foot again and swing your left arm in and down, then touch your left foot down out to the left as you pull your right arm down, elbow bent. Step in place with your left foot and swing your left arm to the left as you begin turning to the left. Step over with your right foot so that your back is facing the camera as you swing your right arm to the left. Step around with your left foot as you swing your left arm to the left again so that you are facing the camera. Place your right hand on your chest, then move your hand over to the right, palm out, before you turn to face the right. Bring your right foot forward a bit, then slide it back as you lift the heel of your left foot. Switch so that your right heel is up as you slide your left foot back. Switch once again before quickly stepping forward on your left foot, then stepping forward with your right foot and turning so that you are facing the camera. As you turn to face the camera, swing your right hand up to your chest. Now bend your knees slightly, then straighten them as you swing your right hand up so that it is in front of your eyes. Bend your knees again, then straighten them, and swing your left hand up to cover your right hand. Tilt your head to the right, and point to your head with your right hand. Tilt your head back, moving your hand with it, then jump up, crossing your right foot over your left foot, and spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Drop your hand as you are spinning. Step out to the left with your left foot as you extend your left arm straight out to the left. Then step out to the right with your right foot as you extend your right arm straight out to the right. Bring both hands in to rest on your chest as you look down, then up, then down again. Hold this pose for 2 counts. Move your right foot over to meet your left foot and point straight up with your left hand and straight down with your right hand. Keeping your arms stiff, move your left hand over to the left and your right hand out to the right, then move them once again so that they are straight out to either side. Clap your hands in front of your chest. Step over to the right with your right foot as you bring your left hand around in a clockwise circle and wave your body, then step in place on your left foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, but instead of stepping in place on your right foot, Bring it over to meet your left foot. Turn your upper body so that you are facing the left as you step back over to the right with your right foot and bring both arms up part way, elbows bent and palms facing up. Then bring your right foot back in to meet your left foot. Keeping your arms in position, turn your upper body so that you are facing the right as you step over to the left with your left foot, then bring it back in near your right foot. Step out to the right and turn your upper body to the left as before, but this time swing your left arm behind your back. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Step out to the right and turn to the left again, but swing your right hand in to rest on your chest. Do the same on the opposite side. Now extend your right arm straight out to the right, then your left arm straight out to the left. Drop your left arm and extend your right arm straight up, then bring your right hand down to your chest. Step forward on your right foot and bring your left arm in front of you, then bring your right foot back and step forward on your left foot as you bring your left arm back and point to your head with your right hand. Bring your left foot back and bring your right foot forward again as your left arm goes out to the left, elbow bent and palm facing up. Drop your left arm and bring your right foot back to meet your left as you spread the fingers of your right hand out near your head. Put your left hand behind your back and kick out to the left with your left foot. Then, when your foot comes back down, step in front of it with your right foot. Step out to the left a bit with your left foot as you swing your right hand down and to the left, then step with your right foot as you bring your right index finger up to your lips. Move your right hand in a clockwise circle, leaning down and to the right slightly as you do so. When you bring your hand back up, move it over to brush off your left shoulder twice as you step behind your left foot with your right foot. Step back out to the right with your right foot and motion toward the camera with your right hand before pulling it in as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Now motion toward the camera with your left hand as you step out to the left with your left foot, then pull your hand back in as your left foot moves back over to meet your right foot. Bring both hands up to rest on your head as you plant your right foot. Now, bend your knees slightly and bend over, keeping your hands on your head. Roll your body so that you are leaning to the left, then roll your body again so that you are leaning to the right. Stand up straight again as you step over to the left with your left foot, slide your left hand from your right shoulder to your chest, and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step back to the right with your right foot as you slide your right hand over your left arm to your chest and bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Plant your left foot and move both hands out in front of you, palms up, then out to either side. Bring both hands in front of your face. Kick out with your left foot, then when it comes back down, step out to the right with your right foot. Move your hands down, keeping your palms up so that your fingers are pointing toward the camera, and kick out with your right foot, then step out to the left with your left foot once your right foot comes down. Extend your right arm and right leg out to the right. Jump slightly, bringing your right foot back in and your left foot out as you extend your left arm out to the left. Bring both hands into your chest as your left foot comes back in and your right leg goes back out to the right, then comes back in to meet your left foot. Extend your right arm out to the right and look to the right, then bring your right hand back into your chest. Repeat this move on the left, but look down when your left hand comes back into your chest. Look back up at the camera. Twirl your right hand up so that it is above your right shoulder, then do the same on your left. As you look up, move both hands straight up, then out and down to either side.